Space has changed a lot since the beginning of colonization. We can meet good guys, bad guys, robots and IP tables firewalls here. We will start our adventure with IP tables by getting to know the necessary basics of networks and protocols. Then with the help of VirtualBox, we will create a virtual laboratory in which we will install our firewall. We will learn how to create IP tables rules using chains, tables, targets, modules. We will join the IT Security Dojo to learn the secrets of attacks and network scans there. We will learn how to perform them with the right tools and how to prevent them with IP tables. We will learn about such tools as Wireshark, Nmap, Nping, hping-free, dsniff. Together with the heroes of this story, we will know the secret of the attack on planet called Trotsky.